My name is Anne Van Loon. I'm the Program Director of River Environments and Their Management, a master's course at the University of Birmingham. The master's course of River Environments and Their Management is the only master's course on rivers in the UK. And it makes it really special because it's really broad. You learn everything about rivers, about their total environment, the entire catchment, all the processes that are very important. And that makes it unique in the sense that it's a very important background knowledge you need in any future career in research or in water management. And this program is a really broad program in hydrology in general, and it's especially aimed at students with a background in geography, environmental science, engineering, even ecology. So it actually has both the physical geography part and the environmental science part in it. And it's also additionally aimed at professionals and people that are actually already working as a water manager, for example, or as an engineer, and they just want to deepen their knowledge on hydrological processes or on river restoration and water management. So if you are, as a student, going to study the course on river environments and their management at Birmingham, you will have a wide range of different ways of teaching. You will experience that. And there's, for example, lectures, there's seminars. So we do a lot of discussion groups based around very actual and current hot topics in water science. So you'll be working at the forefront of hydrological sciences. But you also go into the field to do a lot of practical work, to look at cases of river restoration ongoing at the moment, and you'll do lots of measurements yourself. So it's a combination of classwork, group work, and work in the field and in the lab. The aims of this program in terms of career outcomes are that, students will have both a research teaching and teaching in more the practical application of river management. So they might go into a PhD afterwards. So we had many students stay on or go to other universities for a PhD. But also many of our students go into work for the Environment Agency, different institutes for the government, but also for consultancy companies. So we especially also address that more practical part of river management. I think students should choose this course because it gives them such a good background to go into a career in water management or water research. So talking to previous students, they're also very enthusiastic about the course, about the team of teachers on the course. And I think that's especially good to mention that the lecturers on this course all are all experts in a specific field, and combining all their research in this MSc course on river environments and their management gives you all the knowledge as a student from all these different fields that you will then combine in your dissertation at the end, which you can choose on which topic you want to do that, whether you want to go more into research or more the water management aspect, the practical aspect, and also whether you want to go more into the physical processes or more the environmental sciences and ecology part of things. So that dissertation prepares you then well for a career in water sciences and water management. My favorite thing about teaching on this course of river environments and their management is that students really like it. So I really like to see the enthusiasm of our students, and especially because it's such a broad program with different ways of teaching. So we have lectures, of course, but also a lot of lab practicals, computer practicals, and a lot of field work as well, which allows students to go out into the field and see the problems for themselves. Which is really nice. So we have a nice learning environment in that sense, and students bring back that knowledge into the classroom, where we have discussions based on current topics and issues that are brought to us by different river management institutes in the UK, but also abroad. So that combination apparently is very attractive to students, and I like seeing that, so that's why I like teaching on this course.